Hi there. Within this video, I'll be giving my presentation on my project, which is the Smart Trash Can. My name is Sudhanshu Sharma and I am 22 years old. My program is Diploma in Computer Engineering. My supervisor is Juan Hasni. My project is linked with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals number 13, which is climate action. My research cluster focuses on environmental and sustainability. So I'll be explaining about the smart trash can. So when the user approaches the smart trash can will automatically pick up the presence of the user and it will open up the lid. Once the user walks away from the smart trash can, the lid of the smart trash can will automatically close back. When the smart trash can has reached its maximum capacity, it will start to give messages onto the LCD and as well as indicate red LEDs to the user, and at the same time the buzzer will start to go off. When the smart trash can is not full, the green LEDs will be on. Development methodology. Research, analysis, design, coding, testing, and implementation. These are the necessary steps which I've taken. We have the smart trash cans design. At the top you have the lid, which has the ultrasonic sensor attached to it. This ultrasonic sensor is responsible for reading the level of the trash which is within the smart trash can, and there is also like a buzzer which is attached to it. So this buzzer is basically responsible for giving off signals to the user to alert the user when the trash is full. The servo motor is basically responsible for moving the lid once the user interacts with the smart trash can. The red and green LEDs are basically to give off indications. Red is to basically when the smart trash can is full. Green is basically when the smart trash can is not full and it still has capacity for smart trash to be dumped in it. The LCD is basically to give off message to the user. When the user comes and interacts with the smart trash can, he is able to see if the smart trash can, how much does it has the level of trash within it. And as for the ultrasonic sensor below the LCD, it is responsible for picking up the presence of the user once the user approaches the smart trash can. This is the circuit schematic for the smart trash can. Findings and discussion. Advantages. It saves time by using the smart trash can, as you are able to determine when you want to get rid of your trash. The trash can alerts you when the capacity of the trash can is at maximum level. The trash can provides the user with information about the capacity of the trash can by popping out messages onto the LCD display. This allows the user to be more aware and more conscious on when to remove the waste from the trash can. The lid of the trash can opens automatically upon the user interacting with the sensor. The servo motor turns its angle around the lid up to 150 degrees. This simplifies the process of disposing the trash as you don't need to put effort to interact with the lid. This feature is especially useful for those who are disabled and for those who are unable to interact with the lid manually. Disadvantages: trash is non-uniformly distributed inside the trash can. Simple distance measure leads to false fill level measurement. The smart trash can are not able to keep outdoors on rainy days. It may cause damage to the electrical components. Demonstration of the smart trash can. As you can see, when I interact with the smart trash can, the lid of the smart trash can automatically opens up. As you can see over here, when I place trash to fill up the smart trash can to its maximum level, you are able to see that the red LEDs are lighting up and the buzzer goes off. Once the trash has been cleared from the smart trash can, the smart trash can will go back to its ideal state and indicate green LEDs. Conclusion: this product is not going to provide a full high-end feature in comparison to the smart trash cans which are on the commercial market, but it will provide a cheaper alternatives and a sustainable replacement for these trash cans which do not have a smart system incorporated in them at a lower affordable cost. This product will continue to contribute towards managing trash properly. It will make the user more conscious and aware in terms of managing their trash. This product is simple to use and it is simple to manufacture due to the low cost of the components and materials required to build this product. Recommendation: there are some recommendations or upgrades that I have to mind to make the smart trash can function better than its current state. For example, I would love to use a square shaped instead of a round to improve the space and capacity of the smart trash can. Second, I would use a better motor instead of a servo motor due to its having a lower torque power. And I would also use an Arduino Mini to further lower the cost of the production.